this break, really think about if you want to do this college thing. And if you're ready, LifeLink would love to support you.
LifeLink is a program that gives students from the community, usually first-time college seekers and their families, the opportunity to have access to higher education.
Saying, well, I'm going to take a year off, or I'm going to take 2 years off. There's nothing wrong with taking time off if you have a plan.
We support them with pre-college work to help them transition into college successfully by focusing on academics, development of soft skills, and then when they transition into college, we provide support services to make sure that time in college is as easy as possible to hopefully help them graduate and attain their 2-year degree and hopefully transition into a 4-year school, if not a career.
The question is pretty much straightforward.
One of the main goals is to give students the opportunity to see that college is a reality. A lot of the students are from the community. A lot of them didn't think college was possible. A lot of them don't have people in their family who've attempted to go to college. So for them to even think that college is a reality is a huge step. We see students who are unsupported by family members or family members who are unaware of what college is like, so can't provide them with accurate information. There's a lot of codependency, meaning the students have to support the parents or students having children at younger age, students being homeless. So to increase their confidence and the belief that if they apply themselves and take advantage of the opportunities available to them, that they could achieve earning a college degree and go much further than they probably even thought. And LifeLink is helping young people do that.
There were more people that put more effort into me and actually cared about me being successful. Besides my parents being proud of me, they were proud of me for improving and moving forward and not giving up.
I think we create a big impact on these students. A lot of them don't have people in their family that have graduated college. They come into this program and they see people their own age, working here. So I think they get inspired by that and see if somebody my age growing around the same neighborhood I did could do it, then I can do it as well. And they tell us all the time, we inspire them to do better.
I'm not one of those kids that's like, college is too hard and I gotta drop out. They helping me reach my goal.
They really allowed me to go higher.
I feel like if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't know what to do. I'd be lost in college.
It gives you that place where you can call home, like a safe community, somewhere that you can be yourself, and you'll always have someone there to guide you, and you don't have to feel like you're alone in the process, because a lot of students that go through college or go through high school, they always feel alone, especially if they don't have like a good support system at home. So I feel like Brooklyn LifeLink just gives you that extra boost of confidence to succeed and move forward.
LifeLink's helped me in more ways than one. Without them, I'm not sure I would be where I am right now. And I've never been prouder.